Alright, hey Fluffy Buddy Sky. It's Christiane again, and the funniest thing just happened. My dog is dead asleep. Oh my god, it's so funny. My dog is dead asleep. Like, you just go, and she'll be like, I just want to make this quick, so I just want to show you guys, okay? Let's get started. Alright, this is the dog. That's my dog. This is not abuse, by the way. Not abuse. My dog is sleeping, so like she won't know. You guys can see that. Oh no, she kind of. She got scared. Oops, that was a little far. Okay, look at all this though. Let's see, she's dead asleep. Damn, she woke up now. Baby, it's okay. I actually have to move her. Look at her eyes. Making she's awake now, but well, that's it. When your dog is dead asleep. Bye, everyone. Have a nice night. Bye.